Hello internet people, this is Kowalsky talking. I wanted to show you how you can check your engine oil in old Mercedes-Benz. This is for the model W203 or 203 depending on where you live. So first of all you have to put your key into the socket, then you turn it one time until you can see the display showing you the kilometers. You have to press the button here on the upper left one time until you can see your overall kilometers. I hope you can see everything all right. From where I'm sitting it looks just fine. Okay, so here we go, and now you have to, I think you have to you have to turn the key into the ignition one more time. Don't start the engine, just turn the ignition. Okay, now we have ignition. Now you press 3 times the reset button here. It doesn't work, what the curva. Okay, one more time. This time it's going to work, I promise you. In Polska, you have to do everything twice before it works. Okay, so this time you turn the key to the first position over here, okay? And now you press the reset button 3 times. Okay, now it works. You see, this is the current battery voltage you have available in your vehicle. So, but now in order to measure your oil, you can press the button with the key, with the arrow key up one more time, and now you see this is the correct menu. The oil is in here. Now it says oil because we are in Germany. Once you start the engine, now stay in this menu, don't press anything else. Just start the engine. And now it's going to display your current oil, the real values, and not the fake ones from Mercedes. You see, this is going to 4.7. 4.7 is the correct number for this vehicle. This is a 2004 Mercedes-Benz Sportcoupe. It is the 1.8 compressor engine with the direct injection. Why the hell is it going down? No, it will go down because the engine is not properly warmed up yet. You have to drive around a little bit until it is warmed up properly, and then you have to stop at the right spot where the car is not turned over too much. So you have to like a level ground, sit somewhere on the level ground with your car, and then you can check. Now it's displaying 4.2 liters. So maybe I have a little bit low oil in my car, but I promise you this will go up once the engine is properly warmed. So why is this so important? Because I want to tell you why. You see, the morons at Mercedes-Benz factory implemented no dipstick into this car, so you cannot measure the correct amount of oil in this car. There is no deep stick to get out, to pull out, you know what I mean. So the only way to measure your oil is by going into this kind of menu here. Motor stand, nikt pa motor lauf, kurwa. Co to znaczy? It means it means that it will show you if it's alright or it's not alright, but it doesn't show you the correct answer. I like numbers. Like anyone else who is into cars, you like numbers. You want to see the correct measurement. Is it 0.5 too low, or is it 0.2 too low? But this car does not show you anything, because Mercedes-Benz factory decided we will just show you, is it okay or is it not okay? But the problem is here, because you can get engine damage, because if you drive too long without filling up the oil, and before the program, the regular Mercedes program tells you that there is too low engine oil, it's going to tell you, please fill up 1 liter. Holy shit. So it's 1 fucking liter too low, and then it's gonna tell you, or what? Who the fuck thought about this bullshit? Kurva. I can't believe they actually put this thing in the car. So by the time the program tells you it's too low, you're already 1 liter below. So how the hell am I supposed to know the exact amount of engine? It's bullshit. So you rather go into this nice menu that I kind of lost now, but I showed you. Oh, here it is again. See, press this. 4.2 liters. I hope you can see this on the camera. I am not very good at this. Maybe I will learn someday to properly operate the camera. You know, I'm from Poland, so we don't have this kind of technology over there. I bought this in Germany. Please excuse me for my bad operational skills. Now, see you later. I hope this helped anyone with the Mercedes-Benz. I think this is in the newer models as well, but I'm not sure. Anyway, this is a Sportcoupe W203 with a 1.8. Oh, it says M271 engine. Okay. Okay, then see you around. Goodbye, goodbye.